Welcome to yet another vlog. One more Sunday ride. It's about 6:20 right now. Every single one is gathering at the Gurudwara. We'll just go there and start the vlog. Such a random thing, but we'll start it. All right, everyone. Good morning. Everything is set. There are quite a few riders that are waiting for me at the Gurudwara. Same meeting point like last time. Let's see. Just start the. Alright, good to go. Let's just do it. अबे अपने ही है हो गया हेलो पीपल हाय 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 क्या हाल सर हाय विनी हाय सर रॉकस्टार बट हाउ आर यू So we were waiting for Parth and Raj. They're here. We're at Narol. We just had to wait for them. I thought I'll just come and quickly check tires as well. So yeah. What up, brother? कैसा है? I can see the GoPro.
GoPro अपना भी आ गया।
कैसा है मेरे भाई? कैसा है?
बस एकदम।
रुक मैं हवा चेक करके आया उधर ही है। Hey, Viraj was supposed to come as well, no? Viraj? आगे वो लोग बाकी का है बाकी आगे मिल रहा है टायर वॉबल कर रहा है एक बार चेक करो ना हवा है क्या कम है ना आगे देखना पड़ेगा उतार ही लो नीचे अना टायर चेक करना है और ऐसे या हवा तो भर ली है पर देखते हैं अभी कितनी टिकती है ये जस्ट आई थिंक ऑल द अदर बॉयज आर राइट इन द फ्रंट समवेयर प्रॉब्ली माइट बी वेटिंग फॉर अस एज वेल सो वी विल सी Alright, so I called RSA, which is the emergency service number for Royal Enfield. So now what every single one is trying to do is probably go somewhere, have a breakfast. I'm going to wait for RSA and try see if they can figure it out, and that's about it. Kya bolta? That's Viraj, everybody. Also till then we will try to find some puncture guy who can fix the tire. Because of the disc brake, a lot of puncture tires they don't touch the interceptors, but we'll see if there's somebody who can figure this out. We'll probably call the RSA and tell them not to come. Well, I thought that I'll probably take a break here and wait for RSA, but then the boys are somewhere almost half a kilometer from here and they're saying there is a puncture guy. I'll again drag the bike till that place if that puncture guy can do it. So yeah, we're at Manyara right now. We found this Chotu. क्या नाम है तेरा? Sajid, and Sajid is apparently going to fix this. Harsha is here, and Harsha is going to try YouTube and see if we can open the tire ourselves, and then this one can do the puncture and give it to us. Hopefully this should work. Riding and the fun of riding. Banjar Sumsan petrol pump. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एक शूट करना चाहिए हमको. Mad scene. All the stuff that you do when you ride. So it's a Sunday. I tried calling the RSA. उनका कॉल आया वापस saying कि service centers बंद है. So what they would do is tow it to the nearest service station and then probably do it later. But right now we've been successful to get the tire out. अभी अब क्या है? अब क्या बाकी है?
अभी इसको ये टायर निकाल के ट्यूब को
हाँ
पंचर लगा के डालना. ट्यूब है ना,
हाँ.
ट्यूब नहीं है तो ऊपर से ही
कर सकते. So finally been able to get the punches sorted. Now all we have to do, thanks to, by the way, thanks to Harsha, thank you.
Next time don't call to RSA, call me.
हाँ, done.
Please note my number. I will come back.
So all you have to do is now fix this up. The liver is here as well, so we'll hopefully. And disappointing Royal Enfield RSA. I was really expecting you guys to figure this out. This is the first time that I called you guys. But ठीक है, जो भी है, all good. All the others are now, I think they have already reached Pavagadh. I think अभी तक तो पहुंच गए होंगे आराम से यार. हाँ? So I think they've already reached Pavagadh, and from here Harsha is driving with his wife and this little daughter. Beautiful she is. I'm going to make you guys meet as well. And that's about it. So we're the only two left now. All the boys are in Pavagadh right now, so we'll probably ride there. Special thanks and special mention to Harsha, and really a lot of patience that his wife showed actually. His wife and kids are in this one as well, and I feel thoda sad, but anyways, all thanks to Harsha, the thing is sorted. I'll be able to ride this, and yeah, that's about it. So we're at Hotel Champa near Pavagadh, Torun Dining Hall. I've spotted all the bikes right there. I have been told all of them are here, so I'll probably just go see it and find all the others as well. આપણે બધા બાઇક વાળા હતા એ બધા આવ્યા નથી ऊपर क्या दर्शन गया ओके चलो थैंक यू So finally managed to keep all this stuff in the restaurant. I think Sardar knew somebody here, so they've kind of managed it. I'm now going to the main temple for the darshan. I'm still not sure what is happening with Harsha because the networks are super jam on the hills. There's always a problem with the networks and everything. Kind of managing now. I hope we find all the others as well because I can't call anybody as well. Still trying to figure where's Harsha. I tried looking at all these parking areas and all the cars, but I don't see him though. So I've been told that the waiting for the ropeway is about half an hour, 45 minutes. तब तक मेरे को लग रहा है मैं चढ़ ही लूँगा. So now just walking to the temple about a kilometer and already tired. तो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि ये सब के लिए बुलावा आना ज़रूरी है. शायद मेरा बुलावा आज नहीं आया था. सुबह से लेट, पंक्चर, reached Pavagadh late, and now every single one is at the restaurant waiting for me. And if I do this, it'll take another 2 hours, so I don't want to do that. तो जहाँ से शुरू किया था वापस वहीं पर. I really hope Harsha has made it to the top, at least to the temple. I'll feel really bad if he hasn't. So yeah, basically couldn't make it. Yeah, that's about it. We'll meet all the others, eat some food. क्या हाल है सबके? Because of puncture I was late, but now that I'm listening to all the stories, you guys, can you repeat the story please? Mr. Sardar, thanks.
नहीं वो तो माता जी ने इन लोगों को बुलाया था तो उस वजह से वो लोग सीधे सीधे माता जी से.
हाँ.
हमारी तकदीर में इसने अच्छा दर्शन लेके आए थे.
वाह.
तभी जाके विनी ने वो पोलो से पावागढ़ करा दिया सबका.
हम इसमें सिर्फ थैंक्स
विनी का दर्शन लेके हमारा मस्त हो गया.
So I mean, now these guys are thanking me और मेरे ही दर्शन बाकी है. So this is the food. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm super hungry right now. क्या प्लान क्या है? जाएंगे तालाब के पास.
हाँ तालाब के पास जाएंगे और डुबकी लगाएंगे.
We still haven't been able to trace Harsha. Now we plan to go to the lake that is at Champaner. Probably click some pictures there and then leave. But I really wanted to go there. But anyways, I'll come back soon. Alright, so I came back and I slept for a while. I was super tired. What a stressful day it was. But I'm just so glad that I did it. I really want to thank Harsha. If he was not around, I don't think I would have been able to be back, and probably my bike wouldn't have been back. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपको बुलावा नहीं आया होता है and you can't make it to the temple, but I'm just so happy that I did it because all the others were going to go somewhere else and I kind of pushed them to come to Pavagadh, and eventually they all could go to the temple. I couldn't, but I will sure do it very soon. I would have made sure that it was towed to some service station close to Baroda and probably had to go and get it again or something. But yes, so finally that I'm back. I hope you guys like this. I really want to show what is brotherhood, and I hope all of this comes out because you saw Harsha was there all of this while with me. I want to also say sorry to Bhabhi and his little daughter. What a guy he is. Thank you Harsha for being the way you are. Such a sport. Last wala vlog was madness, and I think you should be there in all the vlogs that I make. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. We need all the support. Now that you can see a bit of the setup, this is how it looks. Simple, minimalistic, the way I like it. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for being with me on the channel. Lots of love. See you all very soon.